Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of series in the SoapUI, that is assertions. The last video we saw about HTTP valid status code and invalid status code. Before that, we saw assertions about contains and not contains. In this video, we are going to see how to do an XPath, all right? XPath matcher. That is what we are assertions. That is what we are going to see. Okay, so I've already added one WSDL right project, one project and WSDL uh, document, right? I've added in my right project. In that it has lot of requests. Okay, we saw that in the second part of video. And next I've added one created generated one test shoot with one step, that is list of country names, to displaying the list of country names. Okay, so I've added one test step, the test case, that is test step there. Okay, so in this list of country names you should do assertions now. Because before that, let us understand the XML document first, how to find an XPath first. I have a sample XML document which I right googled it and searched it and took it. So this displays the catalog of books, different book, different author, price, everything it displays. Okay, so in this XML document you should find an XPath. How to do it? There is one right tool in the online where we have an right, we can go and search xpath.com. In this site we can match, right, or find an XPath. Okay, let me copy the XML right, and I'll paste here. Okay, so I got this right XML file. From this I can identify the values here. For example, by default it's having double slash catalog. If I want a price of a second book, what I can do is, right, I can give slash, I can give book, right, then I can give square bracket 2. Okay, then slash price. Okay, you can see the price of the second book has been identified with this XPath. Okay, suppose I want the third book price, right? It will display here, third book. Okay, if I want a third book author, right, it will display here. Okay, like that, say Eva, right? So it will display. For example, right, first book author, right, it will display Matthew, right? So we can write XPath to mash a particular, to extract a particular data from an XML document. Same thing, we can also use this XPath, right, identify an XPath and do assertions in our SoapUI. Okay, how to do it, right? Let me go to the right right test case, the SoapUI project. Okay, so in this SoapUI project it displays a list of country names, all the country names which been displayed here. Okay, so we need to write an XPath for that. Okay, for that what I do is, right, I'll create a notepad. Okay, okay, I'll create a notepad. Let me write an XPath for this list of country names. Okay, first what I should do is I should give double slash, then I should take from here, all right, list of country names, the first tag. I should copy it, then I should paste here. Okay, then the list of country names by result I should copy it. I should paste here. Okay, then the list of country code and the name. Okay, now I just gave the country code and name. Okay, suppose, right, I want the second country. Okay, so I want the second country name, I want it. Okay, how to do it? Let me give, I want the second country. Okay, I want the name. Let me copy the name tag, ms name. So it should display filter and display Afghanistan now. Okay. So now let me copy and paste here. Let me copy this full X path. Go to the SOAP UI. Go to the assertions, right? Assertions part in the test shoot, that is test case. Okay. Click the plus symbol. Go to the right components and standards. Okay. So in that, sorry, not this one, property content. Okay, in property content you should see XPath match. Okay, you should click that XPath match and click add. Okay, so first you should declare the expression. You should click the declare button, right? You should click it, you'll get a declare of the right expression which you are going to add. Then you copy and paste which we wrote. Okay, if you want to check the XPath is correct, click the select from the current. Okay, you got Afghanistan, right? So the XPath is now fine. Okay, let me save it. Okay, let me run the test case. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, let me run the test case. It's passed. Assertion is passed and it's passed. Okay, so it matched the assertion. Okay, like that we can play right with this one. Suppose right, I'm going again back to SoapUI. We can also learn like many things here. Okay, for example, right, this I gave name, right? Suppose I want some other thing, right? For example, I want an ISO code. Okay, I want the fifth country ISO code. Okay, that is a scenario like that. Okay, for example, I'll give 5. Okay, then I'll give the ISO code. Okay, instead of name, I'll put fifth country's ISO code. Okay, let me copy this one and go here. I'll change the replace the current XPath and give select from current. You'll get the ISO code. Okay, like that we can match the XPath in our SoapUI project. Okay, this is how we can add expressions, right XPath to match and write particular values in the XML document and assert it. Okay, so hope this video is useful for you. Continue to follow the series. Have a nice day. Bye.